Hello everybody, your Petshia here. Today I am here with a small content in English. The conjunction whereas. It will definitely help for the beginners. Let me tell you how to use this word whereas. We use this conjunction whereas to indicate a contrast between two facts or ideas. Let me make it clear with four different example sentences. Number 1. I like to drink tea whereas my friend prefers coffee. Number 2. Raju likes pizza whereas Sheila likes idli. Number 3. She loves foreign trips whereas her husband loves to stay at home. Number 4. I like to study computer science whereas my sister likes to study literature. I hope I made it clear. If you understand it clearly, just comment in the comment box. Okay, dear friends, my 1 minute has got over. See you again. Thank you.